My name is Jersie Vitalista from BSIT 2A. Our topic for today is about the summary of Lesson 3, entitled Java Identifiers, featuring variables, consonants, and Java operators. In this lesson, we will have the following objective. First, to use identifier to name variables, consonants, and classes. The next one is to use variables to store data. The next one is to use consonant to store permanent data. The next one is to use Java operators to write numeric expression. And then the next is to write Java programs to perform simple calculation. And the last one is to use shorthand operators. These objectives is we will learn today. So in this lesson, we will have some Java example, which is our first example was the computing the area of a circle. So as I said a while ago, our topic was featuring the variables, identifiers, and Java computation. So the first one is to tackle about is identifier. So what is identifier? An identifier is a sequence of a character that consists of letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. So this identifier can be a Java keyword, or this identifier was the ABCs, the 1, 2, 3, the underscore, the slash, the asterisk, the dash, the dollar signs, and of course, identifier cannot be a true or false or a null. So the next one is the variables. So what is the variables? The variables is the double, the int, and so on and so forth. In characters, and so on. So some example of declare or how to declare a variable is using a comment. We also have assignment statements, which is comment, double slash, assign 1 to x, semicolon, comment, assign 1.01 to radius, semicolon, double slashes, assign quote A, capital A, to small a, semicolon. So we have numeric operators that we will usually use when we do a program that is using computing or computing a program. Of course, the plus sign, which is sign of addition, the minus sign, which is the subtraction, the asterisk, which is sign that accept encoding as multiplication, slash as division, and percentage as remainder. So we have increment and decrement operators. So we have 4 types, which is the double plus, var, and var plus double plus, and then double negative or double minus, var, plus, and var, double negative or minus. So, in Java, when we're using a binary operation or the conversion rules when performing a binary operation involving 2 operands of different types, the Java compiler or the Java automatically converts the operand based on the following rules. So we have the rules to be followed or conversion rules to be followed when we use a Java compiler when performing a binary operations. The first one is if one of the operands is double, the other is converted into double. The second one, otherwise, if one of the operand is float, the other one is converted into float. The third one, otherwise, if one of the operands is long, the other is converted into long. The fourth one, and the last one, was otherwise both operands are covered into int or integers. Of course, when doing a program, we should be careful when we type the spellings, the capitalizations, the small letters, because in doing a coding, we should be careful, especially when only one error will make our program waste. Lesson 3 ends here. Thank you for listening. So as I have said a while ago, we will be having some example of Java programming or a Java program which is computing the area of a circle. As a starting point, we will put the modifying source code, which is the public class compute area, and then we will put the Java document, which is the slash double asterisk main method asterisk slash. And then the next one is we will enter the main method, which is the public static void main, open parenthesis, string, close parenthesis, arguments. One is we will put the characters or the identifiers we will or variables we will use to this program, which is the double radius, semicolon, double area, semicolon. So we will assign, or as we assigning a variable or identifiers, we will put the two slashes, which is means comment, which is double slashes, assign a radius is equals to 20, semicolon, and then the next one is double slashes, compute area is equals to radius multiply by radius multiply by pi, or 3.14159, semicolon. And then the last one was double slashes or comments, display result, and enter or executing a statement, which is the system.out that print line, open parentheses, quote, the area for the circle of the radius, quote, plus radius, plus, quote, is, plus area, close parenthesis, semicolon.